Thank you, ma'am. First of all, I thank Bakshi Saab and the organizing for giving me a chance. I am not a banker. I am a technocrat. And I am using the technology called remote sensing and geographic information system. Friends, let me just explain you before I say something, like what is a remote sensing and what is GIS. Remote sensing is basically you sense anything without touching that particular object or going to that particular object. And you sense it, you analyze it, and then you give a decision out of that particular image or whatever. Your camera is also a remote sensing device. This device can be anywhere. It can be very near to you. It can be away from you. You cannot see this device. That is how the remote sensing works. The remote sensing is basically a data gathering phenomena or data gathering source. But once this data, from morning we are all listening to enormous amount of data which is being gathered for every banks. And we were talking about the security, the transactions which were happening. Apart from this, there are other databases which also can help to the banking sector. I was just going through that, and this topic is basically about empowering the poor and also in the insurance sector. So I was just thinking that how this technology can help in these particular two sectors. Friends, before I go to that, how it can be helped, but I also just want to talk about a little bit about GIS. This is basically a tool, a geographic information system. I know you people are very much aware about this. This is used in an extensive way, right from selling of the soap to the natural resources management. Here, we call this together as a geoinformatics, and this geoinformatics is coming up in a big way. But what is the cost, and what is the requirement for this? Friends, there is a huge amount of natural resources databases and the locational databases, what we are talking about. From morning, we were talking about Aadhaar card, UID, beneficiaries, bank customers. But we have not been talking about where they are located, how far they are from the bank. All these answers are given by this technology. Where from the insurance are coming, which are the areas which are vulnerable and where the insurance sector should work more, which are the areas where the crop is liable to fail, which are the areas which are hazardous, which are the areas which can cause an hazardous zone because of some of the factories which are coming up. All this information are location based. And when you compile and analyze all this information, that gives you some information about where you should concentrate. Where are your potential areas for insurance? And how this insurance can be mitigated. Or finally, finding out the right beneficiaries. That is one of the very important things with this particular technology can help you out. We can tell that which are the areas which can get affected, which are the vulnerable areas, which are the risk zones, and which are the potential zones also. Potential reason for your business also. Friends, the technology which has come up and which has grown, mobile, was also listening that we want to enable it through the mobile. We are also using the mobile technology for getting your locational position through GPS. And these GPS locations are getting directly connected to the server. So you know, I know where from that beneficiary is coming from, and whether, like for example, generating an assets. I don't know how I'm going to explain all these things, but the view graph would have been a proper way of explaining this. However, like any assets you talk about in a village, or any assets you talk about in a gram panchayat, or in a state, we should know where these assets are and whether they are functional or not. Because when you are talking about, for example, a disaster management, a disaster mitigations, so the schools will become a shelter. But whether the schools are in a proper condition or not, whether they have the disaster information or not, whether they have the minimum facilities or not, all this information we can get this information on a click of a button. Friend, we are today capturing all this information through the mobile applications. And Maharashtra is creating the Maharashtra One database. That is the digital database through which everybody can share this database. We are also coming up with a data sharing policy because in India, whenever we ask for data, it becomes restricted. So the sharing policy should also be there so that this data can be shared across the platform and within the various people. It can be the bankers, it can be the insurance people, or it can be the Gram Panchayat, or it can be the beneficiaries. All this information which will be available at a click of a button on web. We are trying our level best. Maharashtra government is taking a lot of effort in making this database work, and we are happy to say that the GIS digital database has gone into the SDC, and this will be available within few months of time to all the people on a shareable basis. Thank you very much.